Hello everyone, welcome to my AI Made Simple channel. Today I have a very interesting video to share with you. So guys, just by uploading a photo, you can create these trending AI photos in just one click. All the trending photos you're seeing, you can create each one in just one click by uploading a photo. So guys, just watch the video without skipping. Otherwise, you might miss any photo print. You'll find prints of every photo in this video. So how will you create them for free? So guys, for this, first open the Chrome browser application. Many people don't have it, so I'll show you that problem too. So after opening it first, search for J in the search bar. So type this and search. As soon as you search, the first AI tool will appear. So guys, open it. Then sign in the corner here. If your email address runs out of credit, log in with another email address. Then look here, there's an adjust option. Otherwise, there's a 3-dot option here. Tick the Brana option. Then select upload files. Click here and select File Manager. Then, in whatever folder you have your images, select an image from that folder and upload it. You don't have to do anything else. Select a photo that clearly reflects your face. Then you'll need to provide a prompt here, which I'll provide for each photo before the video. You just need to take a screenshot of the prompt. Then share the screenshot on Google Search. Okay, many people can't copy it. So you can easily copy it by sharing it on Google Search. So after copying the prompt, go back to the application. Then paste the prompt here and send it along with the photo. You don't have to do anything else. So just watch here, within 10 to 12 seconds your photos will be edited and uploaded here. In each of your photos, the faces will be 100% matched. Whatever print I give, every print here matches. After that, to download it, click on download here. So guys, you can download the photo from here. You will be able to download it only after the processing is complete. And here I have created a lot of photos like this. As you can see, by just uploading one photo, I have created a lot of photos using some trending prints, which I'm going to give you a print of all the photos. You can see it here. It is visible just above the screen. So look here, take a screenshot of whichever photo you want to create. Then you can copy it here and use it. A print of each photo is here. So guys, we will meet with this editing in the next video. For now, bye guys. So please subscribe to our channel to see the first of these trending edits.